Hello, welcome again to the COVID-19 report for the city of Fredericksburg. I'm Mike Jones, Fire Chief and Emergency Manager for the city. Let's talk a little bit about what's going on. I think we have some good news. It looks like we might have reached the peak of the Delta variant and its infection rate throughout the Commonwealth of Virginia. The actual 7-day percent positivity in the rolling average has dropped not only in the health district but throughout the state. We are still about 2 to 3 percentage points above the average of the state. The state currently is at 8% and this region is right at 10.8% as of last Friday. But the total number of cases that we're seeing has reduced some, especially throughout the Commonwealth in most areas. There are still a few areas down in the Southwest that are in surge, but most of the areas in the northern half of the state and the eastern half of the state are starting to see a downward trajectory in the number of caseloads and the number of severe caseloads. Unfortunately, the hospitals are still quite full of COVID patients. We still have at least 90 people in area hospitals that have COVID-19 and are being taken care of in those facilities. Most of those, almost probably over 95 to 97% of those people above that average are not vaccinated. So it's a good time to get your vaccine if you have not gotten the vaccine. As far as vaccinations go, in the city itself, our percentages continue to increase. We now have above 15,000 residents who are age 18 and older that have now been vaccinated with at least one dose of the vaccine out there. That equates out to about almost 62% of the population. So that's moving in the right direction, what we like to see, because vaccinations and vaccines are really going to help us turn the tide on this pandemic with COVID-19. So that's important that we do that. Also, to give you information, if you are feeling sick and things like that, you need to make sure that you get checked out. If for whatever reason you suspect it might be COVID or you're not sure, we do have testing available. It's free. It is drive-through type testing. It is available in the month of October at the Bragg Hill Family Life Center from 2 to 5 p.m. every Thursday. That's located at 400 Bragg Hill Drive. So I think those are the important things to think about now. Get tested if you need to get tested. If you feel sick, please stay at home. And by all means, try to get your vaccine. Not only the COVID-19 vaccine is available and free to everybody, but also most of the area pharmacies and doctor's offices now have the supply of the flu vaccine. So it's important to get that so we try to lessen the effects of the seasonal flu that we have. And we'll provide more information again next week. Thanks.